Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LinkedIn networking using Sales Navigator lead lists, full guide step by step clearly. Open LinkedIn and log into your account. Navigate to the Sales Navigator tool from the main menu. If you don't have a Sales Navigator account, you will need to sign up for a subscription. Once inside Sales Navigator, start by understanding the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tabs, such as lead searches and account searches. Click on the lead filters to narrow down your search parameters. Select the criteria that are most relevant to your networking goals. Consider filtering by job title, industry, location, and company size. Once you have set your filters, click on Search to generate a list of potential leads. Review the results and identify the leads that align with your networking objectives. In each lead's profile, take note of their background, interests, and mutual connections. You can save leads by clicking the Save button next to their profile. Organize your saved leads into specific lists based on your networking strategy. To create a new list, go to the Lists tab in Sales Navigator. Click on Create List and name your list appropriately. Add the saved leads to your newly created list for easy access. Utilize InMail to directly reach out to leads without needing to connect first. Craft a personalized message for each lead you want to approach. Focus on shared interests, experiences, or your professional purpose for connecting. Follow up with leads who have engaged with your messages or have viewed your profile. Regularly update your lead lists to reflect new connections or changes in your professional focus. Continue to engage with content shared by your leads to maintain visibility. Monitor the interactions you have and adapt your approach as necessary. Leverage your connected prospects for introductions to expand your network further. Review your networking goals periodically to ensure your lead lists remain relevant. With consistent use of Sales Navigator, your LinkedIn networking can become significantly more effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.